I'm Rachel Griffiths. I'm a theatre maker and I work in what is called socially engaged practice. I do believe that theatre can be part of what changes our world. So I work in very different communities, often with people experiencing some kind of oppression. And we use theatre to look at those situations and experiment and play with what change could look like. Today, I've been using methodology from a theatre practice called Theatre of the Oppressed, which comes from Brazil. I've taken one element of that, which is called image theatre. My job really today was to help the participants to see the world from the perspective of their patients and to understand the complex issues that those patients are bringing into an appointment with a doctor. We first of all establish a map. So you take a patient and we just put bodies in the space to represent the different pressures and the different demands on that person. What shape does housing have? What shape does the demands of a school have on you? And we got people into small groups to make those shapes and then to sort of make a sound or add a word. And it just helped everyone to see just the weight of that pressure on an individual. And then we moved into doing a couple of scenes, looking at a patient and a GP, the patient presenting with a situation, maybe pain of some sort, but actually what we're trying to do is help that person who's playing the GP to ask the right questions to get the backstory. I think the people who were the participants today are entering into immensely challenging situations where they're supposed perhaps to have an answer, and yet there maybe not be one single answer. When people are working in that kind of context, it's very hard to take a step back. I think when people are under pressure, they find it harder to listen, find it harder to be self-aware. What we feel in our body really informs how we think. And by making some adjustments in our physicality, we actually can then start to help ourselves think differently. This practice offers us a way of seeing the world and ourselves and each other. And then, because we're effectively in a rehearsal room, it gives us the opportunity to rehearse what a better scenario would be. We are effectively rehearsing the future that we want to see. Lots of people use this theatre in ways that actually do affect legislation and systems. It's a gift to upend systems and structures, and actually to make lasting change as well. A small workshop can be the beginning of actually huge change where the authors of that change are the people who most need it.